Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna show you guys what Shein sent me for Shein Home this summer. So let's get started. So first off, I have a beautiful wooden chain. Ayan, this is a necklace, not just kidding. So this is a wooden chain. It's a home decor. So it would be nice for like tables or on top of books. Also, you can actually put it on the table as well. Just like that. Just a nice decoration. Or special, this is a black table. So there's a contrast of black and white. So it's just nice. Next one is another wooden chain decor for the table or on top of books. Next one is our shoe bags. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty big. I feel like you can fit two small like shoes in here, and it has a little window so you know which shoes are inside. So that is really nice. I actually use this because we'll be leaving for vacation in few days, and I already packed some of the shoes that I'm wearing. So this is one of the shoes, and also these are like just hotel shoes that I'm bringing. So there you go. So very handy, and you know, shoes can be dirty, so it's nice to have a separate like bag for shoes. And this is nicer than a Walmart bag or a shopping bag. So yeah, it's such nice shoe bags, and it comes in 10. So everything that I'm gonna show you today, I will link it in the description box below, and I also have a coupon code. I will put it here. And ooh, this one, they call it the Eva ano to, crossbody bag. It's like Crocs kind of like dupe, and it's super nice. It's very nice. It comes with a handle. You can also add like your name, and you can put it in these holes, name or initials. And I chose the smallest one they have. So I chose black. They have different colors as well. It's really nice. It comes with a dust bag. The next one is, oh, I've been wanting bookends. We have a lot of books in the house because my boys love to read. So here you go. And then also we have so I got the orange, and also I got, ooh, I like the green too. Wow. Yep. Oh, that's your water, and then once you're done with the water, you can just fold it just like that, and you don't have to use plastic all the time. You can just refill this over and over again. There you go. And then you just press this to open. Easy. This is the shelf that I got last time, and I chose another one for this collaboration. They asked me to choose a number of items, and I chose another shelf. I'll show you guys the first one we got. This is exactly the one we got the first time. This is what the bookshelves look like. It comes in 4 shelves, and so my kids can put their Legos in here. Another Lego. They love Legos. And then more Legos. More Legos. The last item that I'm showing you guys is the H2 Smart Hydrogen Cup. I'm gonna try it today. It's supposed to be good for you. Basically, from plain water to hydrogen water. And then it comes with instructions on how to do it and what it's good for. So now we have the the bottle. So I already washed the bottle, and it also comes with a USB cable. It's rechargeable, so it has the USB thing there. You can charge it, but this comes fully charged. So we're gonna start right now. Okay, so there you go. So we have to wait. Okay, so there you go. Or once it turns off, it means it's ready. So the water tastes the same. Definitely the water tastes the same. The water is sweet. Yeah, I will link it in the description box below, and see you guys later. Bye! So yan guys, may padala ulit. Ben, deliver natin! Uy, Mots! Sa inyo yan, Ben.
Wow, there's packaging.
No. Ayan, padala to nung kapatid ko na isa. Yung isang babae ba. Yung apple sauce kasi ito, yung mga bata to yung pupunta dun sa garage house. Lagi silang kumain ng apple sauce, so binibilhan na. And then, may tinapay si Mother. May tinapay na 4. Ito yung paborito ni Mother. Ito na yung kinakain niya. Ito yung sawayan. And then, meron ding itlog. Isa lang. Isa lang yung itlog. Ayan. And then, meron ding oranges. Ito yung paborito rin ni Mother. Ay, 5 pala yung tinapay. Ito pa. At saka, snacking nila. Okay, deliver nila, boys. Kuya, eto na, baby. Kuya, deliver. Okay. Very good. Ayan, deliver na. Mas bebang. Nandun na si Ben. Hi, Callie. Gandang babae. Si Callie, ano siya? Nanghihina. Tapos, nagsusuka siya. Yung sa bagay, ang mga pusa, nagsusuka siya. Pero sinusuka niya tubig na may dugo. So, yun. Tapos, parang, basta ano lang siya, yung tulog ng tulog. Yan. Alam mo, masasakit yung mga katawan niya. Idilig pa sana kami ng asawa ko. Biglang umulan. So, tama. Nadiligin yung ating mga halaman. Ayun yung aking, ang mga halaman ko sa unahan ng bahay, puro ano na lang. Marigold na lang. Tingnan niyo guys, pakikisa. Puro marigold na lang kasi maganda siya. Ayun, oh. Tapos, ang dali pa. Binudbud ko lang yung kanyang seeds. Tapos yan, nagsulputan na. Buti na dilig lang. Punta tayo mamaya sa garden. Meron din tayo ditong ito yung snake plant na nasa loob ng bahay. Inilabas ko na kasi sabi niya, parang payat siya. Oo nga, payat siya guys. Oh. Inilabas ko na. Tapos medyo obsessed tayo ngayon sa ating halaman. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Basta obsessed ako ngayon sa mga halaman. So, ito yung binili ko sa Costco, guys. Oh, ang laki na. Healthy naman siya kahit di masyado naaarawan kasi wala siya dun sa sunny spot. Parang nakaka-happy pala pag may green. So, yan. Tapos, ito guys, yan. Ito, binili ko to sa Target. Yan, medyo mahal to. Medyo mahal, pero maganda naman siya. Gold and ano. Mura lang to, 25 lang. Kapag nagpunta kami ng Walmart. Medyo mahal to. 36, maliit. Isang ganto lang. 36 sa Walmart, isang ganto lang. Ito to, mas healthy to. Oh. Mas malaki, tatlo. Kahapon, nagpunta kami ng mga bata sa Walmart. Bumili ako ng another snake plant. Kasi yung snake plant, kaya maganda siya. Tsaka yung mga rubber plant. Ano siya, yung tawag, ano yan, air purifier yan. Yung radiation, sinasanghab niya. Yun ang according sa nabasa ko. Basta maganda siyang air neutralizer. Yan, air purifier. Kaya maganda yung merong snake plant. Ayan, hindi ko na inangkat yung isa ko pang snake plant. Tapos ito naman is yung parang Venus flytrap. Dati nagpatubo na kami nito. Kaya lang namatay. Kasi ano pala to, dapat ang itutubig mo is rainwater or distilled water yata or purified water. Something like that. Hindi siya basta tsaka ayun niya ng direct sunlight. So, kaya tama siya dito, parang nakatago. May konti ng araw. Tapos ito, kita niyo yan, yun ay, pag malaki na siya, ang pinaka-fertilizer yata niya is yung insekto na mahuhuli niya. So, nakakatawa lang. Kahapon naka-close yan. Tsaka hindi siya pwedeng hinahawakan daw. Dahil pag hinawakan mo, yung oil ng kamay natin, yun yung makakapatay sa kanya. So, pag nailigay mo na steady na lang. Tapos spray daw ng, spray ang pagdidilig. Pero ginawa ko kahapon direct konti lang. Wala akong distilled, wala rin rainwater. So, ano lang, purified water. Basta yung walang chemicals yung tubig. Kasi yung tubig natin, di ba? Meron siyang chlorine, may fluoride. So, ayaw niya ng Venus flytrap. So, yan. Pag malaki na to, mahuhuli na yan ng insekto. So, meron daw yan na parang hair sa loob na, di ba, papasok dyan yung, dito, yung insekto. Kasi meron siyang sweet, parang syrup dyan sa loob. Yun yung nakaka-attract. Tapos magko-close yan. Tapos, pag na-trigger yun, magko-close yung yan. Tapos, nandun na yung insekto sa loob. Hanggang sa, maano na siya doon. Masok. Kaya basta, nakakatawa pinanood kaming video. Ganun daw yun. So, comment down below kung totoo ba yung ayan. Pero, nakapagpatubo na kami nito, hindi yan nakasurvive. So, ngayon, parang mas healthy to kaysa dun sa binili ni Daddy. Ano to, $7. Diba? Ang cute. Okay. At syempre, ito rin yung aking snake plant na binili ko rin sa Walmart mga siguro few weeks ago. Mga 1 month. Pero ibang variety. Yung may dilaw. Yung may dilaw ang gilid. Yung nabili ko kahapon yung may green. Yun yung palagi kong binibili. Yung green lang. Ito ibang snake plant to. Parang pumapayat nga siya o pag hindi na arawan. Ayan o. Ang payat. Uy, may sumisibol naman dito. Pwede na actually itong angkatin kasi busog na siya. So, parang hindi na makagalaw ba. So, dito naman siya sa may bintana. Kahit na hindi masyado direct rin yung liwanag niya. Pero at least, meron siya dyang liwanag. So, yan. Tapos, ito talaga yung healthy. Kasi talagang nandito siya sa bintana. Ayan. Mura ko lang tintong nabili guys sa Costco. Paborito kong bilihan ng Costco. Ang Costco ang halaman. Paborito kong bilihan ng halaman ang Costco dahil mura. Mura sa Costco. Ito, $14 lang to. Dun sa Walmart, yung ganito, yung isang puno lang na ganito, grabe, 24, 36. Pero may kasamang iba dito. So, mura lang talaga sa Costco. Tapos gusto ko itong sa Costco na ganito, yung parang mayroon na siyang base na plastic. Na decorative na. Kasi yung iba, bibilhan mo pa siya ng ganito. Decorative.